Hello, my friends, again. I'm again in the nature, well, not again. I'm still in the nature because that first video I made is recorded on the same day as this. I moved a little bit deeper, I can say, deeper into the woods, and now I'm recording this for you. So, as you can hear, it's much quieter there, or I think it's quieter. Or I think it's quieter. But I was listening what microphones here, and they pick everything. Like it's impossible to hear with your ears that there is some water or something. So enjoy this. I found this place. Well, I found blackberries right there, and I just thought, well, this is the place where I want to record this ASMR video. Hopefully no one will make fun of me like Lowell Hills. He is another Bear Grylls, but the ASMR style or something, or whatever, I don't care. So I really love this quiet, like you can hear something there, and not much, only a few airplanes maybe, and it's quiet, really quiet. And I really wanted to share this with you because I'm sharing my videos, my experimentals, and my fun with sound, and I really wanted to share this with you because, as I said in the first video, not many people have this opportunity to go into the nature like this and enjoy this quiet. Also, we have another nature triggers, we can say. And if you don't trust me, I'm in the nature, and this is, if you think this is just green screen or something, it isn't. Like, watch, I have this old wood and I can throw it away. It's not green screen, I'm really in nature. Okay, I can talk a little bit in the Slavic language if you want, and if you don't want, sorry. So, čiže ahojte všetci. Všetci, čo hovoríte, že vôbec nerozprávam už po slovensky, tak zase rozprávam po slovensky. A som zase v lese. A užívam si toto ticho, ktoré som chcel zdieľať s vami. Nakoľko čupím, tak sa asi za chvíľu zvalím. A ako som povedal už aj po anglicky. Keď som si dal slúchatka a popočúval som, čo tie mikrofóny berú, tak som bol, že wow, že toto nepočujem ani vlastným uchom, že tu žblnká nejaká voda a kopu iného. Čiže super. Cestou som stretol čerstvú stopu po medveďovi, čerstvú kakačku. Tak dúfajme, že nás príde pozrieť na toto video. Vy ho už možno počujete prichádzať. Ja nie. Ja ho až zbadám. No, dúfajme, že nie. Čiže tak ako v prvom dieli sa na chvíľku vzdialím. Sa na chvíľku vzdialím, aby ste si mohli užiť toto ticho a tých stvrčkov kadejakých, čo tu vyhrávajú. A ja si zatiaľ dám černice, čo som tu našiel. Dúfam, že sú to černice, ale mali by to byť. Čiže zatiaľ si užívajte 5, 7, 10 minút. So I will leave for a while just you can enjoy the quiet, and I will go get these blackberries. So enjoy this nature sound, nature quiet, and I will be back in a minute. So I'm back here. Hopefully, well, every time I use word hopefully, sorry for that, but what else I can use? Hopefully you like the sound of this nature and this woods, and let me know in the comments. Also, I'm thinking about making some just this nature sounds. Let me know if you want to hear that, and I can make it. So it's quite hard for me to talk to you ear to ear because I'm in some weird position when it is hard to bend over to talk something to this mic and to this mic. I feel a little bit awkward that I don't know what to talk about, but we can play with all the leaves. I'm so happy to be here. When I was making Q&A video and when I was making answers, I was talking about this. There were a few questions if I want to travel somewhere, where is the place I want to be, or I want to be the most and I want to live, and I think this is the place I love the most. Not like I want to live here, like here on that tree, or something. I can't imagine that I'm in a big city where it's flat everywhere and where nature missing, or there is some nature but it's like some park, and this is like wild nature. Or how to say it, not many people go here. Not only, but animals still living here, and that's great. That's that pure nature. Sometimes I'm going here for walk to search for some mushrooms. Probably few of you saw a few pictures on my Instagram. What I found there. Also, I can see another hazelnut. I can hear something. Like, hopefully, I won't be running with equipment in my hands and it's impossible to climb on some tree because I have like 15 kilograms of equipment. But I always say that this is more safe place than to be in some city. People saying, oh, there is animals and there is a lot of, I don't know, a lot of dangerous animals, but I think in a city it is more dangerous. Because if you respect the animals, they will respect you. They don't wanna steal your wallet from a pocket or something. They want to live here and not kill everyone or to, I don't know. But I feel it's like that. It's more safer place than to be in city where a lot of people just go in. So I love it here. And sometimes I just sit and listen to the sounds. Listen to the animals. It can be scary for some people that they don't know it here, but I think, I don't know. Nothing bad here. Just flies and other animals. I'm just looking everywhere. And I like it. I can show you quickly how it looks where I am looking if you want. So this is a place where I am looking. You can hear birds. So friends, I think that's enough for today. Again, hopefully you enjoyed this in nature session or how I call it, and let me know if you want to see or hear more. If you love nature, if you liked this video or anything. I will be happy to read every comment, like always. You know that. So, have a beautiful day. Have a wonderful days. Go outside into the nature and enjoy this like I am enjoying now. Bye, my friends. Ahojte.